Welcome to another tutorial on publication-ready tools available in DataStatPro. Raw tables to APA tables converter. In our previous tutorial, we discussed how you can make APA-style publication-ready tables in DataStatPro from raw data. In this video, we discuss another scenario. We have unformatted raw tables generated by R, Python, Stata, or SPSS. See how easily we can convert them into fully publication-grade tables in seconds with interpretations. Let's dive in. First thing first, access the DataStatPro app at DataStatPro.com. Click on Open App button. You can access the Convert to APA feature from the top navigation bar of DataStatPro under Publications mega menu. We already have discussed APA Style Table 1, Table 2, Regression tables, and many other tables in our previous video. You can find Convert to APA under Writing and Formatting section. You can also access the same publication-ready tools from the left navigation pane of the DataStatPro app. Publication-ready table from Data is located under the Tables section, and Convert to APA is situated under the Analysis Tools section. Access the feature from either place. You can follow the flow. 1. Input data. 2. Configure. 3. Preview and export. Let's start with Descriptive Statistics Quick Start Template. You can see the raw data of summary statistics of variables age, income, education, and work experience appeared in text box in raw form. Click on Configure First button if you want to control the look and format of the table, like table number and title, decimal places accuracy, significance indicators, number alignment requirements, and italic statistical symbols in the table. After making desired adjustment, go Back button and hit Parse and Format button. Here the magic happens. You can see a full formatted publication style table ready for export in a variety of formats with APA style right up at the table. Let's export it to Microsoft Word format. After downloading the file, you can see a fully editable table, which can be incorporated into the manuscripts, thesis, or presentations. Now, quickly walk through other templates for a correlation table, ANOVA and regression tables. Now consider an example from the outside the templates. Here's the output which we get after running a two-way ANOVA using R. Copy-paste the unformatted two-way ANOVA table in DataStatPro APA Converter. Hit Parse and Format button. This time you can see the formatted table is not parsed well, so we need to make some modification in original copy-pasted table. Go back to Input area and add commas after each column names and data points, and parse it again to review the changes. After properly adding the delimiters in the data, you'll get a perfectly formatted table for two-way ANOVA. You can download it in MS Word format in the same way as Quick Start templates. This means literally you can format any kind of raw table or results into an APA format table. I am Digital Avatar of DataStatPro signing off. Bye for now. See you in another informative video of DataStatPro.